Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Just a quick starter. I've not long got out of bed, like literally like 15 minutes ago, so I look a bit rough and I sound a bit tired still, but hey ho, and it's like 11 o'clock in the morning. In today's video, I am going to start the car sale preparation. I am going to look at a car today. It's the car that I said I was going to look at last weekend, but never got around to doing. But I'm going to look at it today. The person that owns this car currently is looking to swap my Yaris for his car. I am not saying what car it is. I'm not going to show you the car, nothing like that. Just in case the deal falls through and all that, and I don't want to get your guys' hopes up. I think I explained this in the last video. So yeah, my car currently looks like a tip. It's filthy, covered in bird shite, and the interior is like Steptoe's yard. So in today's video, it's going to be nothing spectacular. It's literally just going to be me tidying the interior of the car and pulling old stuff out of it. And yeah, I'm not going to go into too much detail with cleaning. I'm literally just going to give it the once over to make it look a bit more presentable for now. And then if it goes ahead, then obviously I'll be prepping the car for sale properly, so proper clean, sorting a couple of little niggly bits out. I've got the rear bench seat to go in still and all that kind of stuff, so all of that will be sorted if this deal is confirmed. So stay tuned for that. If this deal is not confirmed, then I'm still going to do the videos because I still want to sell it. However, it might just take a bit more time until I find another car that I'm interested in or something like that. I don't know. So yeah, I need to crack on and get a couple of bits done before I continue this video. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video and stay tuned for the clean. Right, so this vlog's already going well. For those of you that don't know, I live in a house that's like on a road. I ain't got no driveway, nothing like that. I've just gone to move my car because I had to leave my car up the road last night because of lack of parking and all that. And there's loads of people outside, nicked all the spaces. Well, some of them are residentials, but basically I live near enough right next to a pub with no car park. So my road is the pub to car park basically. And I've got people outside my house that have gone in the pub. Why you'd want to come to the pub at 11:30 in the morning, I don't know. And why would you drive to a pub if you're going to be drinking? It's just stupid. So I will probably catch up with you guys once I can get a parking space. Right, we have success. Oh god, I'm not in shot. Let's move you back. There we go. Yep, we have success. I am now outside my house. It is bloody hot in this car. I'm sitting in the passenger seat because it's just easier to grab everything that I need to. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to start off with clearing my car out. Right, so now I'm going to give you a quick tour of my car and show you how dirty it is. So as you can see, I've got some rubbish in this cubby hole. I've got a little bit of rubbish in that cubby hole. I've got that full of that stuff. These makeup brushes are in here because I'm going to use these to detail my car. Because I can't be asked to go and buy detailing brushes. I just wanted to see how they really do. They're my girlfriend's old ones, so they need to come out. I've got some napkins in there, and I've got all of that crap in there. I've got a rubbish bag down there, a couple of bottles, stuff like that, and all of that to sort through in there. And my gin bottle from last night, I forgot to bring it out. And a well-used ashtray. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the cockpit of the car first. Right, I believe I've got better angling, so I'm going to grab my rubbish bag. And I'm going to start sorting through all bits of rubbish that I've got laying all over the place. I've got straw wrappers, as you do. Some tickets of some sort. Can't think what they're called. Chewing gum, black vinyl from a car show that I went to. Someone decided to stick it on my car. Sellotape. I don't know why I've got sellotape in here. I've got dust caps, a pen, a random nut, trying to get out. And a bit of a McDonald's salt wrapper. So that's that bit cleaned out. Under my gym bottle I've also got a parking ticket. So what I'm going to do is, I'm not going to film all of it because it'll probably bore you, but I'm going to get on and sort out the rest of the car. Now one thing I am going to quickly do on camera is I've realised how you actually pull the ashtray completely out. You obviously open it like that and then you press this little top lip down and then it comes straight out. Easy to clean. Right, if you hear stuff downstairs, it's my sister, she's playing on her Wii U. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly clean out the ashtray. Excuse the messy bedroom, by the way. So all I'm going to do for now to do this is I'm just going to grab a wet wipe and clean it out. I don't know if you can see in there, but it is pretty horrible. Let me turn the light on actually. Yeah, I don't know if you can see in there, but it's grim. So I'm just going to quickly wipe it over with a wet wipe and then we'll go from there. Right, so that is the ashtray now clean. I don't know if you can see in there, but it is pretty shiny. I don't know why it's not focusing properly in this light. I really don't understand why this ain't focusing, but as you can probably see, there's no more dirt or anything like that in there. So that is now done. Right, and that is the ashtray back in, onwards to the boot. Now as you can see, the boot is full of stuff. It's full of stuff from boot fairs and car shows and yeah. So I need to clear all this out and get this sorted. Right, so that's now the boot cleared out. I've kept essential stuff like the picnic blankets and a couple of other bits in the car for now because I've got nowhere to store it in my bedroom. But yeah, so that's that all sorted. Now I suppose it's on to actually cleaning the interior out properly. So I will catch you with that. Right, so now I'm actually going to clean the interior pieces themselves. To do so I am using Auto Gleam's vinyl and rubber care and a microfiber cloth. Weirdo. I'm not going to clean it properly for now. I'm just literally making it look a little more presentable, and then from there, like obviously if the deal goes through sort of thing, I will then give this a proper clean, make sure it's in as good condition as it can be for the new owner. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with that and I'll show you some before and afters. Right, so that is the rubbers taken care of and the vinyls and all that kind of stuff, you know, the interior panels taken care of. I'm not going to hoover the car out, I'm just going to bash the mats off quickly. Yet again, like I said, I'm not doing a proper clean, and also I am meeting the person in about 2 hours or so. Therefore I can't spend too long. Sorry, I need to catch my breath back. I can't spend too long faffing about cleaning the car and all that kind of stuff, so I'm literally just going to give it the once over and sort of make do for now. But like I said a couple of times in this video, I will be doing a proper clean when it goes, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to get on, bash the mats off, and then I'll probably catch you when I start cleaning the car. Right, now I'd love to apologise for this video being so jumpy today. I'm rushing about trying to get things done, as well as trying to film this for you, because obviously I did promise you I'd film the process of me trying to sell the car sort of thing. I will film a more detailed video on the actual final clean video, shall I say. But for now I'm literally just doing a very quick clean, trying to document what I'm doing and all that. So as I said I was going to brush the mats out in the car. I've done that. I also gave them a quick brush off with a dustpan and brush as well. And brush the footwells out because there was a couple of like little stones and all that in there. Does look a lot better, admittedly. Could have done with a hoover, but like I said, I haven't got an awful lot of time. I'm going to go and meet the guy now in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. So like I said about 15 minutes ago, or last clip if you're watching this video. So anyway, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using to clean the bodywork. Now to clean the bodywork, I'll be using Automotive's bodywork shampoo and conditioner. I don't know why it's got conditioner in it. As you can see, it is a nice green colour. So I'm going to get all of this set up and prepared, and then I will film from there. Now this, rather annoyingly, is what I'm working with at the moment. I am working with a bucket and a watering can. I can already see the comments, why aren't you using 2 buckets? The other bucket is here, and it's got a massive crack around it. It don't hold water anymore. I would usually use 2 buckets, but that's the reason why, and the watering can is because I blew the hose pipe up. So I'm going to wet the car down and then clean it. And there we go, guys, that is the end of today's video. If you enjoyed the content, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. I'm now going to go off and sort this new car out, or potential new car. I just want to quickly address a few things as well. As I said about the buckets, I only used one because the other one's broken. The watering can was used because I blew up the hose pipe. And this was just a very, very quick clean, just to get it making like looking a little better. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.